Okay, and here are my homemade fried dumplings with a sweet dipping sauce, Chinese sweet dipping sauce. So here you go, guys, and you just fry them up. After the water goes down, that oil gets into the pan that we put in there, and you just start to fry those. If you need a little bit more, just add a tiny bit more of your oil. Let them fry up, but here they are, our delicious dumplings. And I made them all different type of ways. I made them this way, horizontal. I made them in like a circle, and then these are also, but they kind of stuck and went over to the side. But you can make them any way you want. They're your dumplings. But guess what? Who made these dumplings? It was you and me. We did this together. And we'll make plenty more dumplings. Please come back, try this recipe or any other recipes on my show. Please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, guess what? See you next time.